I'm Reverend Robin from Unity Community of Central Oregon, and I run the prayer team. It is my joy to be a part of such a huge part of the central core of what Unity is all about. We believe that this energy, this power is an energy form that we sometimes call God. It's much larger than a personality. It is the very energy that creates the universe and creates you and me. So when we go to prayer, we do nothing more than bypass our emotions, our thoughts for the moment, and tap deeply into that connection with this one energy form. And from that place, all wisdom shows up, all power, all love, because that's what Spirit is about, is love.